Alright, if you're manually backing up files every time, yeah, that's not the best way. In this full guide, I'll show you how to automate backups using Google Drive, so your files stay safe without extra effort. First, download and install Google Drive for desktop on your computer. Once installed, sign in with your Google account to connect your drive. Now, select the folders on your computer that you want to back up automatically. Turn on Sync. This will automatically upload changes from your computer to Google Drive. You can choose whether to mirror files or stream them, depending on your storage and needs. You can also enable backup for photos and videos so they upload automatically. Use the Drive icon in your system tray to check if files are syncing properly. Once backed up, you can access your files from any device using Google Drive. Make sure the app stays running in the background so backups happen automatically. And yeah, that's how you automate Google Drive backups. Set it once, and your files stay protected without any extra work.